So, today's video, magta-shoot kami dito sa bahay. It's currently 7 a.m. and the model should be here by 10. Mag-gym muna kami and then we're gonna show you guys how we do our test shoot. Usually, kami dalawa lang and then sometimes may hairstylist kami, sometimes may stylist na din, but
Later, mas i-explain namin bakit lagi kami dalawa, paano kami mag-shoot. Basically, kung paano kami nag-start. Puro ganito, every single day dati.
yeah, we used to do test shoots like 3 times a week. And then sa 3 times na yon, minsan dalawa pa yung models namin.
Dalawa yung models niya, pero yung sinushoot ko, minsan may 5 models kasi maraming makeup artists, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang 10, may group pa, di ba? Parang,
Bugbog kami sa test shoot, guys.
Pero
Nung
sobrang
nag-start
saya.
kami. Pero masaya kami. Kasi gusto namin yun.
kasi nag-start ka, parang hindi ka napapagod.
Yeah, it's parang, honestly, now that I'm almost 30, parang ramdam ko yung maraming ginagawa talaga in a day. We'll check in with you guys later pag ganito na yung model. Okay, I'm done taking a shower and medyo nagbe-breakout ako today. Pili ko sa stress ako. But yeah, the model will be here in like a few minutes and nagsaset up na kami sa baba. We're gonna try to do 3 looks today. Biglaan lang yung isang look. Naisip namin isingit. Basta, i-video ko na lang lahat. Tara na! Snack break.
Hindi dito snack
Hindi pala
break.
snack break.
Ito na yung lunch namin, so... Paano mo nalaman yung ganyang process?
Nagtitink lang ako.
Puro glitters.
Marunong lang mag-think. Yay! We're done! Thanks for today!
Hello, everyone.
Hello! Let's talk about the looks that we did earlier.
Okay.
So, what was the inspiration of the shoot kanina?
Actually, yung first layout, gusto ko lang talaga ng clean look. Tapos, parang nag-make sense sa akin na gusto ko ng magandang balat, gusto ko ng malinis na kilay, magandang mata, malip gloss. Yun lang, parang gusto ko ng ganun ulit bago matapos yung taon. Second naman, gusto ko medyo Christmas. Matapos na yung taon eh. Mag-test shoot tayo. Parang ang tagal na yung huling test shoot namin.
Hindi kami sanay actually na hindi kami nakakapag-test shoot. When we both started, every week may test shoot kami. Like at least 3 times a week. Sometimes in a day, we would shoot 2 to 3 models. Mas marami siya kasi minsan yung models, kailangan lang naman ng parang set card or Polaroids. Yung mga ganon, yung hindi naman kailangan ng makeup. Before, my limit sa isang araw, pag mag-test shoot kami, 3 models and 2 looks each. Tapos ngayon, grabe ang hirap na niya gawin ngayon. Before kasi, gumagawa lang kami ng looks ng feel namin. Hindi kami masyadong nag-iisip long-term effect niya sa portfolio namin. Unlike ngayon, na kapag nagpa-plan kami ng shoots, parang we prefer something na pag ni-look back mo siya, parang pasok pa rin siya na pwedeng maganda. 7 years ago, 6 years ago, na pag nagta-test shoot kami, pag nakikita namin yung shoot namin, grabe yung cringe namin sa sarili namin. Bakit natin ginawa tong shoot na to? Marami kaming ganon. Actually, hanggang ngayon, like, nagkakaroon kami ng shoots na, okay, sa moment na yun maganda. Pero pag binalikan mo pala, shit, bakit natin to ginawa? I feel like it's part of the growth that we're experiencing. Kasi to cringe at yourself is a privilege kapag alam mong may kaya ka pa ibigay. So basically, pag hindi ka nag-cringe sa work mo 5 years ago, wala ka na-improve. Charot!
May tama naman. Tama yung yung explanation.
Yung first look, actually, I also wanted to create a clean look. Kasi it's been a while since I last did a clean look for a shoot. And yung naisip ko kasi with this, how can I make it different? Because I've done so many clean looks in the past. I feel like at this point, I could do it with my eyes closed. We did a matte look, may dewy, may healthy glow, may cloud skin. Ang daming klase na nagawa na namin. Nagsingit ako ng glam look because kanina kasi nakita ko si Paige, di ba? Hindi niya. You know what? May potential na maging edgy yung look niya. Ang ganda niya, di
Kaya
ba?
niya dali.
Pwede pang runway yun, yung second look niya. And then, third look, yung puro glitters, yung sinabugan siya ng glitters. So, dapat ano yun, sequence. But, yung peg kasi na binigay niya, pinakita niya sa akin 2 days before the shoot. So, syempre, kailangan ko ng time mag-source ng materials. Masyado late. All I had was like all kinds of glitters and rhinestones. But we couldn't incorporate the rhinestones kasi masyadong iba yung element ng itsura niya on photos. At least meron tayo nagamit today para ma-push yung sparkly peg.
Ganda naman.
I feel like we're gonna be posting more vlogs like these.
Next
Kasi
year.
dahil mahilig na kami mag-test shoot, mas marami pa kami malalabas sa mga vlogs na ganito.
Kasi before, like, naisip na namin to na bakit hindi natin gawin? Di ba? Like, puro bakit eh. Bakit hindi? Tapos parang interesting naman yung nangyayari, yung araw namin, ganun. Feeling ko kasi nakafocus tayo sa ano natin eh, sa craft. Sa makeup, inaaral mo lalo yung makeup. Kasi syempre, pag sinamahan mo ng iba, parang medyo magugulo ka eh.
So guys, please forgive us for the vlogs. Kasi hindi kami content creator.
Also-
Ano kami? Artist lang kami.
Iba yung content creator.
Medyo wala kaming skill sa ng content. But we're trying. Okay?
I mean, hindi content creator. I mean, content creator kami. Pero, iba yung influencer talaga. Like, yung talagang vlogger
grabe.
talaga.
And
Okay.
grabe yung respect namin sa mga gumagawa ng content. Ang tataba ng utak nyo, guys.
Gagaling, no? Ibang level. O, yun.
Focus kami dito sa mga shoot sa mga sa looks
So,
Doon kami
ayun,
magaling. Magaling kami magpaganda. Pero mga content, medyo parang wait lang.
So far, enjoy naman ako today.
Yeah, and I noticed that we're really good at taking behind the scenes photos.
Grabe.
Ang dami namin na
Sobrang
take.
dami.
Doon kami magaling, guys. So,
May Polaroid ka na, may Fuji ka pa, may dalawang phone ka pa,
may digicam ka
may
pa.
digicam ka pa.
May
Like,
DJI ka pa.
grabe.
Wow.
May dalawang DJI ka pa. Nalulunod sa camera yung model. Gulat din ako like, oh my God.
Pakita namin sa inyo yung last look. Digicam. Yan. Diyan kami magaling, guys. Pag mga BTS, diyan kami magaling. Okay, I think that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We'll be stitching the results of the shoot by the end of this vlog. Comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see in our channels. Subscribe to his channel as well. It's Jarwin Castañeda here on YouTube. Yeah! Ako din, mag-subscribe kayo dito.
No.
Don't forget, pinromote ka, tapos nakalimutan kong i-promote sa akin.
See you guys on the next one. Stay safe.
Peace!